This is CH Pavitra and I'm at 25 passed out from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering with a CGPA of 7.96, and I have joined the Jspiders in the month of November. And from this Jspider, before coming to the Jspiders, I have lot of stage fear and I have less confidence and patience to wait to my certain role, my point. And then when I joined this Jspiders, not only through our academic knowledge as well as the trainers gave me knowledge on my confidence, patience, and some more things like non-academic background. So because of that, I have got and gained more knowledge. By that, I have placed you by attending mocks and presentations in the Jspiders, which is conducted by our team, Jspiders, and I have achieved something in my life for the first time, and I am so happy. Thank you, Jspiders family.